low-key made this.
Hey, 2 times.
Hey guys, actually this is my first YouTube channel. I want to say welcome. It's your boy Kings. I'm here with Infinite RPM. And of course, wait, I got my lovely assistant with me. What's the Instagram? What's your Instagram? Let them know your Instagram.
BBII.ALNB. Y'all go
Okay.
follow me.
Go follow her, absolutely. Hey man, so like I said, we got 2023 EQS 580 Mercedes-Benz. Let's check it out. This is the all-new 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQS 580, an all-electric SUV with 536 horsepower and 633 pound-feet of torque. This one comes equipped with 4MATIC, which is all-wheel drive, also with Airmatic, which is Mercedes-Benz very own air ride suspension. In the front, you have Mercedes-Benz digital light LED headlamps. Look at the wheels, you see the RWX 21-inch AMG multi-spoke wheels with black accents, accommodated with a Mercedes-Benz keyless go with seamless door handles. In the back of this EQS 580 SUV, you also have your own power hands-free liftgate, which offers up to 71.3 cubic feet of cargo space. Open up the door, you see Mercedes-Benz very own puddle light lamping with interior kickplate lighting as well. In the front seat, you have Mercedes-Benz very own 56-inch hyperscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats also come equipped with heated and ventilated and memory seating with soft touch power seat adjustment. 64 color ambient lighting with Burmester 3D surround sound system, power tilt sliding panoramic roof, dynamic select for different drive modes. You also have your range screen settings that shows you all the things in the car that's being consumed by the battery, which changes your battery life range. When hitting the maximum range, you can help on battery consumption instantly by getting more juice out of your battery. High resolution 3D camera settings that shows you everything around you 360 degrees, real objects in real time at a high resolution. You also have massage seat settings, which gives you many different types of massages. You can pick the perfect massage option that works best for your comfort, with different pressure point workouts as well. In the second row, you have the best view of the panoramic roof with rear entertainment, heated seats, and second row power seating as well. I also want to give a big thanks and a shout out to the management team here at Crown Car Your Cars Mercedes-Benz for letting me review this vehicle today. Now let's see how she rides. Brand new 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQS 580. Hey, if you guys have any comments, make sure you put the comments below. If you like the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.